Selling your home can seem like a complicated process, but today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and break it down into 6 easy steps so that way you don't get too overwhelmed when you're selling your home. Hi, I'm Rupesh Patel. I'm going to go over the 6 steps that you'll experience during the sale of your home. Step 1, preparation. Anytime you want something for sale, you want to make sure that it looks good. Make sure it looks great. We want to make sure that the home is decluttered, it's clean, and it stands out when buyers are looking at it. Most sellers, what they do is during the process of doing this, they have me come over. They actually know that I know the market and know that I know exactly what buyers are looking for. Step 2, we want to market the property. We're going to come onto the marketplace and we're going to expose the home to as many buyers as we can and make sure that your home stands out so that we can move to step 3, which is we can receive offers. When your house looks great, people are visiting your house, they want to submit offers, and most of the time we're able to generate multiple offers for you. Step 4, we are now under contract, and closing typically takes about 30 days. The buyer will start the loan process, they'll start their inspections, they'll start working with the finance company going towards closing. Step 5, moving. Now what we want to do is we want to start packing. We want to make sure that your belongings are all packed up and you're ready to move. Step 6, closing. Closing typically takes at a local attorney's place. The buyers are present, you're present, and now what we're doing is the attorney is transferring home ownership from you and to the new buyer. Monies are exchanged, keys are handed over, and congratulations, you have now sold your home. For more information about the buying, selling process, I'm Rupesh Patel. Reach out to me directly at the number below, and thank you again for watching.